What if Mr. Beast gave me $10,000? I would be rich. Because in Kenya, this is 1,208,500. I will be a millionaire. But wait, what do I lack? Of course, I would go and purchase a camera worth 160,000. Wow, my videos would be clear. That one records up to 4K? I think so, right? Okay. So I will be having 1,048,500 shillings remaining. Still rich anyway. I would go and purchase lights. Sometimes lights suck, right? So one light costs 5,000. So I'll buy 3 of them. 1 key light, 1 fill light, and 1 background light. I'm good to go, right? So I'll have 1,033,500 still on my account. I would go ahead and purchase a better microphone. Good boy, you are good. I don't mean that you're bad, right? I would purchase a condenser microphone. This is a dynamic microphone, but I need a condenser microphone, which cost about 20,000 in Kenya. So I would be remaining with 1,003,500. Still a little bit, rich, but I think I'm going broke. Anyway, I'll go ahead and purchase a mixer. Why does a YouTuber need a mixer anyway? I would need this just for maybe my podcasts. So a mixer costs about 60,000. So I'll purchase that. That means I have 943,500 still on my account. Then the next thing to purchase should be a powerful desktop. Editing sucks on a laptop. So I'll purchase a desktop worth 100,000. That is too expensive. But anyway, I'll have 843,500 shillings remaining. Then I just need a good laptop, right? I love you, my good laptop, but I need a better one. So I'll purchase a laptop worth 65,000. On my account, I still have 778,500. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, then a sub to the channel would be, I don't know. You just subscribe. Alright, the next thing I want to do is to travel from one place to another. I won't buy a car. What I'll do, I'll buy a bike worth 250,000 shillings. Oh boy, this guy likes bikes. So I'll have in my account 528,500. I think I'm going broke. And I'm tired shooting from my small house. So I'll rent an office for my videos. That will cost me about 10,000 shillings every month. And I'm going to, pay for the first 3 months. That is 30,000. So if I get 30,000 out of what I had remained with, I have 498,500. Think I should keep the rest, right? But no, all my clothes, no. I don't know. So I'll purchase an iron box to just iron my shirts. Yeah, I think that would be something cool. An iron box costs about 2,500. So I'll have 496,000 Kenya shillings remaining on my account. I think I need to invest the rest. Maybe not. But I want to invest, right? So I will go and invest in merch. I will be selling merch, and I want to invest 250,000 in merch so that I see if I can, keep the money flowing, right? So if I get 250,000 from this, I'll have remained with 246,000 on my account. And what I'll do with this money now, I'll leave it there just in case of anything. Then I can go ahead and sort that out. What would you do with $10,000 from MrBeast? Drop me a comment. I would like to hear how you would utilize this money and how much you will be remaining with at the end of the day. To watch why MrBeast's brother did not succeed on YouTube, that video is here. To watch how MrBeast became successful on YouTube, that video is here. My name is Duncan. This is See Your Figure, and I hope that I will see you in the next video. Peace.